Okay, good morning, KG. How are you today? I hope everything is okay with you. Let's start. Going to start with the application. Okay, let's start. Are you ready? Okay, what is this sound? What is this sound? Okay, how we can write sound Yes, sleeping, dash, and semicircle. Okay. What is this sound? How we can write sound semicircle, up and down. Okay, guess any word that starts with sound Yes, and, apple, and axe. Okay. Next. Is it not clear? What is this sound? Okay, how we can write sound? Sit down and sleeping dash. Okay. Next.
Okay, now we will continue revision. What is the sound? What is the right direction? Right, down, swing. Can you give me a word? Start with the sound. Yes, I can. Sun or star. What is this? It is castanate or cacacide. Yes, it's castanate. And the last one for today is sound K also. It's castanate or cacacide. It's cacacide. Okay, how can I write it? Stay down, open mouth. Okay, now this is our new sound for today. Can you guess it what it means for you?
Yes, this is sound G, 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 G. Do the action with me. G, 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 G.
Okay, would you like to hear the sound for this sound? The water goes down the drain, the water goes down the drain, the water goes down the drain, and the good. One more time. The water goes down the drain, the water goes down the drain, the water goes down the drain, and the good. Okay, here we will try to search for the words that have sound G. Look here. Here we have leg. Leg. Okay, leg. The long sound is G. 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 Okay.
Okay, look at this one. What do you see here? What is this? Girl. Look. Girl. So, I'm sorry. So, what is the first sound of word girl? G, 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 girl. Next.
Okay. Here I have pink. Pink. What is the first sound for the word pink? Huh. And the middle sound is E. And the low sound is
G, g,
G.
Okay, what else? What do you see here? Okay, look at this one. This is gold. So what is this? Gold. So what is the first sound of the word gold? G, 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 g. Okay.
Here, I can see a plug. Plug. What is the first sound from plug? It's P. G, g. So what is the last sound which comes at the end? G, g, g.
Yes, and what do you see else? Look at this one. What do you see here? Yes, this is mouse. What is the first sound of the word mouse? Yes, the first sound. Okay. What do you see else?
Okay. I can. Yes. Right. Yes, we can see ants. Ants. What is the first sound for the word ant? And the middle one. And the last sound which comes at the end.
Okay, look at this one. What do you see here? What is this? Gloves. What do you see here? Gloves. What is the first sound of the word gloves? G, 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 gloves. What is this? Gloves. What is the color of this gloves? Yes, yellow.
Okay. Can you see this? The girl is wearing dress. The girl is wearing dress. Okay. The first sound for the word dress, we took it. The last session is sound D. Dress. And what the last sound in the word dress is S. What is the color of this dress? It's green and has spots yellow. Next. Okay, here is our magic pencil. We can see the right direction now to write sound G. Semicircle, umbrella stick.
So how we can write sound G? Semicircle and umbrella stick. So how we can write sound G? Semicircle and umbrella stick. Okay, show me your finger. Let's do it on the air. How we can write sound G? Semicircle and umbrella stick. Okay. Open your booklet. Okay, KG, open your booklets.
Okay. First of all, we must circle what day is today. What day is today? Yesterday was Sunday, Monday. So today is Tuesday. What is the first sound for the word Tuesday? Here, this is our sound. And we must write always between two lines. Don't forget that we must always write between two lines. How can I write sound G? Semicircle, umbrella stick. Semicircle, umbrella stick. Semicircle, umbrella stick. Okay, here we have our new words. The first one is glass. Glass. What is the first sound? G, 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 g. And this is the action. What is the last sound which comes at the end? Here we have plug, plug. What is the first sound? P, p, p. And what is the last sound? G, 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 g. Here we have leg, leg. What is the middle sound? What is the middle sound is a. And what is the last sound which comes at the end? G, g, g. Okay, here we have grapes. What is the first sound for the word grapes? G, 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 g. And what is the last sound which comes at the end? By the way, grapes, healthy or unhealthy food? Yes, it's healthy. And here, the word is hug, hug. What is the first sound for the word hug? And what is the last sound? G, g, g. Okay, try to write a sound between two lines, please. Hello.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. First, we're going to circle the day of today, Tuesday. Okay, let's start. Here we're going to write the first sound of these pictures, okay? Let's start. What do you see here in the first picture? Yes, duck. What do you see here? Duck. Okay, what is the first sound of the word duck? D, d, d. How we can write sound d? Between two lines, semicircle, long stick, and down. Okay, look here. What is the last sound of the word duck? Cat or cat. Okay, what do you see here in this picture? Milk. What is the first sound of the word milk? Okay, how we can write sound between two lines? Stick down, up, curve down. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Stick down, up, curve down, up, curve down. Okay, what is the last sound of this word? Okay. Next, what do you see here? Snail. Yes, what is this? Snail. Okay, what is the first sound of the word snail? Yes, how we can write sounds down, snail. Okay. Here, what do you see here? Egg. Yes, what is the first sound of the word egg? Yes, egg, egg. How we can write it? Sleeping dash and semicircle. Okay, look, what is the last sound of the word egg? G, g, g. How we can write sound g? Semicircle, umbrella stick. Okay. Here, what is this? Grapes. Yes, what is the first sound of the word grapes? G, g. How we can write it? Semicircle and umbrella stick. Okay, the last one, what do you see here? Yes, turtle. What is the first sound of the word turtle? Is t. How we can write sound t? Stick down and sleeping dash. Okay. I'm waiting for you. Don't forget to circle the day of today.
Okay, here are blending words. The first word is, we will try to write it with each other. What is the first sound here? P, p. And what is the middle sound? I, I, I. The middle, I. And what is the last sound? G, g. P, I, g. Try to stretch the sounds to make one word. Try to stretch it. Pig, pig, pig. Yes, excellent.
Okay, the next one. Let's read this word. What is the first sound here? G, g, g. Ah, ah. P, p. So let's stretch the word. G, ah, p. Gap. Yes, this word gap. Yes. Next. Turn the page. Okay. Here we're going to match this sound to the suitable picture. Let's start. What is the first sound here? R. Which one starts with the sound R? Let's see. What is this? Hand. Hand starts with the R sound? No. What is this? Rocket. Yes. Rocket starts with which sound? R. So we're going to match it. Okay, next. What do you see here? What is this sound? What is this sound? Okay, which one here starts with sound? What is this? Mat. Yes, mat starts with sound. Mat. Okay. What is this sound? G, g, g. Okay, which one here starts with g sound? Yes, glass. Okay. Look at this sound. What is this sound? Okay. Which one here starts with sound? Yes, hand. Okay, the last sound. What do you see here? Okay. Which one here starts with sound? Yes, what is this? What do you see here? Axe. Okay, we're going to circle the day of today. Anything for you?
Okay, don't forget to circle what day is today. Today is Tuesday. Please cross out the picture that doesn't have sound up. Doesn't have. Okay, what is the first picture? Grapes. Grapes. What is the first sound for the word grapes? G, g, g. So, cross it or leave it? Leave it. Okay, what is the second picture? Plug. Plug. What is the first sound for the word plug? It's P. And what is the last sound is G. So, cross it or leave it? Yes, leave it. What is this picture? Is hug. Hug. What is the first sound for the word hug? Is and what about the last sound is G, G, G. Here, the last picture is monkey. 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 What is the first sound for the word monkey? Yes, it's So, cross it or leave it? Yes, cross it out. Please.
Okay. Here in this picture, in this page, we're going to write the last sound of this picture. Okay, what do you see here? Cup. Yes, what is the last sound of the word cup? How we can write some cup? Take down, up and semicircle. Okay. Next. What do you see here? What is this? Leg. Leg. Okay, what is the last sound of the word leg? G, g. How we can write sound g? Semicircle and umbrella stick. Okay. Here, look at this picture. What do you see here? Hug. Yes, hug. Okay, what is the last sound of the word hug? Yes, g, g. How we can write sound g? Semicircle and umbrella stick. Okay. Look at this one. What do you see here? Parrot. Yes, parrot. What is the last sound of the word parrot? Yes. How we can write sound t? Stick down and sleeping brush. Okay. Here, what do you see here? Hand. Yes, what do you see here? Hand. What is the last sound of the word hand? Yes, d, d. How we can write it? Semicircle, long stick, and down. The last one, what do you see here? Block. Yes, what is the last sound of the word block? G, g. How we can write it? Semicircle and umbrella stick. Don't forget to circle the day of today, Tuesday. This is the last page. Okay, if you want to ask any question, please Ask, unmute. You want to ask any questions?
You. Bye bye.
Muhammad, do you want to ask anything? It's okay. Okay, my dear students, we will say now goodbye.
See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.